Ukulele lesson for beginners number 10, the finale. For this final lesson, I would like to teach you the first song that I learned to play on the ukulele. I would also like to share my thoughts as to how you can progress your skills and what you should do next. Let's start with the first song that I ever learned on the ukulele, and I call it Hawaiian Mario. It sounds like this. I'm using a pick for this. You don't have to if you don't want to, but I'm gonna use one. And what you're gonna do is you're just gonna strum all the strings open twice, like this. And then you're gonna play the 2nd fret on the top string twice. And then the 4th fret on the top string. And then back to the 2nd fret. We're strumming all the strings every time, so open, open, 2, 2, 4, 4, 2, 2. If you want to jazz it up a little bit, you can add some Up-Strums like this. I heard something like that in Super Mario Bros. 3 on the NES when I was a little kid. I think it was more like this though. Now here are some of my thoughts as to what would be helpful as your next steps for learning. I'll probably do this in the next series, but I would learn how to read tablature. Tablature is the number-based system for learning how to play the ukulele. You can also read just regular notes or notation, but it's not necessary, and there isn't really a lot of music written out in standard notation, so that's why I recommend tablature. Tablature is really useful for playing like melodies, riffs, and single notes. You might be wondering how much you should practice each day. I recommend 20 minutes for starting every day, and if you can do more than that, do more than that. If you can't do 20 minutes a day, that's fine. Just do as much as you can because you get out of it what you put into it. You might want to look into private music lessons if that's an option for you. I know it's kind of expensive, but you'll make probably a lot more progress if you're learning from a professional teacher, such as myself. I also have books that I've written. I have 3 books for the ukulele that are available on Amazon and this other website called Teachers Pay Teachers, which has digital versions of the books. So if you want to look up my books, you can find them as well. I would say the 3 main important things for your learning are learning to read tablature, learning to play lots of chords, and learning a lot of strumming patterns. You can basically do all 3 of those things by just learning to play songs. Feel free to reach out to me through DM or email. I'm more than happy to answer your questions, or if you just want some feedback, that'd be great. I really appreciate you guys using this series for your learning, and I hope that it was helpful for you. Have a good day.